Hello friends, welcome to our channel Freshers Now. This is Srikanth. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about Saraswat Cooperative Bank Recruitment 2021.
Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
If you are unable to watch this video till end due to some data issues, you can just click this link and all the information regarding this notification will be there in this link. We will also give this link in the description so that interested people can go and get the information over there. Or you can just go to Google and search as Saraswat Bank Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now. You will get the first website, and if you open that first website, you will get all the information regarding this notification. Okay, let's get into the topic. So here are some basic details. Organization name is Saraswat Cooperative Bank and the post names are Business Development Officer. And here we have totally 150 vacancies in this notification, and the starting date for registration process is 17th March. Okay, the registration process has been started. Closing date is 31st March. So if you want to apply for this, you can apply before this date. Okay, and if you want to apply for this, you can apply through online. So if you are selected for this post, you will get the job location. So here are some job locations over here: Mumbai, Greater Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, etc. Okay, the next thing is official site. So if you want to know more details regarding this notification, go to this official website and get all the information over there. Okay, now let's see the vacancy details. Here in Maharashtra location, the centers are Mumbai or Navi Mumbai or Greater Mumbai or Thane or Raigad. Here we have totally 85 vacancies. The next thing is Pune. Here we have 35 vacancies. Aurangabad and Jalgan. Here we have 5 vacancies. For Nagpur, we have 3 vacancies. For Kolhapur and Sangli, here we have 2 vacancies. For Nasik, here we have 2 vacancies. The next center is Ratnagiri. Here we have 1 vacancy. The next thing is Sindhudurg. Here we have 1 vacancy. The next thing is Madhya Pradesh. Here we have Indore Center, and here we have totally 2 vacancies. The next thing is Goa, and here the center is in Goa as well. So the total number of vacancies are 3. The next thing is Karnataka location, and the centers are Mysore, Devangiri, Bengaluru and Mangalore. Here we have 6 vacancies. The next thing is Gujarat. Here the centers are Ahmedabad, Surat and Vadodara. So here we have totally 5 vacancies. So wholly we have 150 vacancies in this notification. So the next thing is education qualification. Let's see the education qualification if you are interested to apply for this. The candidates who are interested in the post of Saraswat Bank Business Development Officer should be having 2nd class. That means they need to have at least 50% marks and above at the graduation level. So the people who are interested to apply for this should have graduation as an education qualification, and in that qualification they should have 50% marks. Okay, so if you fulfill this criteria, you can apply for that post. Now let's see the experience details as well. Moreover, the candidates along with basic education qualification, they need to have a minimum of 1 year experience in sales or marketing with banks and NBFCs. Only those candidates need to apply for Saraswat Cooperative Bank Openings 2021. So here the people who want to apply for this, they should have education qualification plus experience of 1 year. So in sales and marketing with banks and NBFCs. Okay. Now let's see the salary package as well. The emoluments will be paid in 2 parts. The monthly gross salary will be 21,620 rupees approximately on probation and 23,300 rupees approximately on confirmation. The annual emoluments will be 3,57,000 approximately on confirmation based on the salary of January 2021. B. An additional variable component in the form of a performance linked incentive structure for meeting marketing or sales targets. Okay, so this is the structure regarding salary package. Okay, now let's see the age limit. The candidates who are willing and interested to apply for Saraswat Bank Recruitment 2021 for BDOs, Business Development Officers post, should not be more than 27 years. So the candidates who are under 27 can apply for this post. Okay. So if you want to know more details regarding this notification, you can just open this link. We will also give this link in the description so that interested people can get information over there. Okay. So please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now. Thank you. Have a great day.